a knife and a spoon. Alright, people, so what we're gonna what y'all do?
No.
My hands are controlling me, guys.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
What's up, people? It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, guys, as you can see by the title down below, yes, I'll be doing the Not My Hands challenge. Yes, people, but before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell because I'll be bringing you the bangers and you don't want to miss it. Alright, so let's jump straight into the video. Alright, people, so what we have here, so we have some bun and cheese bun and the crackers. We have a bottle of water right here. Yes. We have our glass that we're gonna mix. We also have a tongue somewhere right here. Where's the tongue? That's a knife. Tongue. Take up the tongue and show the people them tongue. Yes, see there, tongue. We also have a glass of ice up there, so way up there, so up front, way up front. See there. You find it? There we go. We have cheese way up front up there, so way up. Yes, you have it right there. You catch it. See the cheese. We also have a knife and a spoon. Alright, people, so what we gonna do? What y'all do? My hands are controlling me, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, people. Alright, so first and foremost, I just woke up, so I'm gonna have breakfast. That's the one. So here's what we're gonna have for breakfast. We're gonna make some tang juice and some tang. So first we're gonna grab our glass. You wanna push over the stuff them on the table. There we go. Alright, we're going to grab our tang. Grab your tang right there. So right there. Put it in my face. Yes, right there is good enough. So what you gotta do now, you're gonna open the tang. Good. We're gonna make the tang right now. So what we're gonna do now is throw it in the glass. See that now, people, we're gonna throw it. Yep, tap. And we're gonna fold it back. I see some people throw the whole tang in them. You know them do it in them, people, because you don't have no sugar in this building. Alright, so here we go. Grab the water. Wait, push over the cup a little bit on the table so you don't hit it over. There we go. Hold on, let me put my hands back under here. See, so now we're gonna open. Let me get that strip off me. Don't throw it away on my hands. Alright, so we're gonna draw the cup a little closer. You're gonna hold the cup and the water, you're going to pour it. You can pour it though. Oh! Pull out the glass a little bit more. And you're going to pour it now. Yes. Pour, and pour. Watch out. This is a juice of purpose, so. Alright, so you're going to grab the spoon. Not the knife, the spoon. And you're going to stir it. Oh, yes, people. That's the trick. Stir. People, oh, the hottest thing. Right, which me do the video hot. Anyways. Alright, so we're going to taste now. Me don't want to taste from the spoon. Take a glass and put on my mouth. Me not get none. Go. Me not get none, Go. Oh, some more. A little bit more. Tilt it a little bit more. Little more. Whoa. Alright, I'm going to put that to the side. It's a little bit sweet. Wait. We're going to add ice and everything to it after a while. First thing first, you want to cover back the bottle of water, please. Yeah, help.
You're serious?
Careful, forget what up. Alright, so now we're going to get our bun and cheese. So that's the bun. Find the cheese somewhere up there. See the cheese? It's under the biscuit up front. So move the biscuit. Oh shit. You can't find it. Hold on. Take out the biscuit. Take out the biscuit. Put it near the water. Yes. Find the cheese now. Oh god. No, a little bit up right there. Find
Got him! Got him!
it. So we're going to open the bun first. Take out the bun out of the bag. The hand. We make sure the good girl hand clean too before we do any videos, you know. So now we're going to cut the bun. One little piece. You're going to cut off. I'm going to cut off a finger. Time I cut it. There we go. Alright. 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 Take your time. Don't cut your hand. Come on. But my hand them a pro. Alright. So you're going to put that piece of bun to the side. I keep on forgetting that is not my hand me using. You see? I will go open the little piece of cheese. I'm not going to use to eat up with the whole of the cheese because I'm not really hungry. But for video purpose, we're just going to do this. Alright? So we're going to break a little piece of the cheese and we're going to put it inside of the bun. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's sweat. Wait, what you do? Broken and cutting is two different things. Hand, listen to me, hand. There we go, broke it. Alright, put on the other piece and put that in my bun now. Woo. Squeeze it together. I see you know bun nice now. Give me a piece of it. One to one. Alright. Bun tastes good. Now you can move the cheese in knife and little before chopping. Push it up in the front side table. Good girl. Now put the bun aside. Put my piece of bun in my bag before the bun dry out. Another piece there. Another piece for me to eat. There we go. Good. Put that on the side where we done good. We're going to go back to my juice now. My juice. And we're going to adulterate it because it's kind of sweet. Woo. Throw some whole heap of water in there now. Throw whole heap. Me tell you when to stop. Throw. Good. Cock up the back now. Over this up. Cock over this. Hands, listen to me. Behind the water back. Hands. Okay. Cover it up. Alright. Yes, juice done. Now we want the ice, not the juice. So move it back the water. Oh, you can find everything, man. No, sir. So on what you do? Alright. No more. That's it. Now you gotta use a spoon and stir. But I eat 2 crackers, but now I eat none now because I'm not too hungry now. Come. You can use a hand and hold spoon so spoon will look me in my eye. Piece more bun, please. Alright. Nice. Yeah. Nice food and everything. So we eat bun. We eat cheese. We mix tongue. Who can talk to it? I'm for my hand. That's a 5. No people, so look for me here. Check out the hair. Check out the hair, touch the hair, rub it down. Oh yeah. Yes, here. Alright people, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Now follow us on all our social medias, and of course drop a comment in the comment section if you like this video. However, this channel is going to be only challenge channel. I'm going to change this channel to my personal channel, and then I'm going to use my other channel, which will be right here on the screen, right, and you guys can go ahead. The link will be in the bio. Don't forget to go over there and check it out. Subscribe. That's where I'll be doing all my hair, makeup, and those stuff. Makeup challenge, hair challenge will be on that channel. Now I was saying I would be going to make a couples channel, but however, we're gonna make a couples channel whenever this channel blows up. So whenever this channel blows up, then we're gonna make a couples channel, and I'm also gonna make a channel for my sister. With that said, bye. Girl, you're hot.